Hey, what's up guys? Griddle Richie coming at you from the Quarantine Bar and Grill. And today I'm gonna do the unboxing of the 10-piece toolkit from Target. It's a Target exclusive that Blackstone makes. It's an $85 value for $39. It's really hard to find, but I wanted to show you guys everything that came in that kit. It's really windy, as you guys can hear out here in Vegas. We're supposed to have something like 30 to 40 mile per hour winds or something like that. So I'm gonna get inside and do this unboxing. So let's go. All right guys, and we're back. So I moved inside so I can do this unboxing of the 10-piece classic griddle toolkit. It's a Target exclusive that Blackstone offers. It's an $85 value again. Target carries it for $39. It's really hard to get your hands on it. So if you do see it at Target, don't pass it up because it won't be there. I spoke to a manager. They said it's one of those deals that they have it, they have it. If they don't, they don't. So let's get to this unboxing. Let's see what's inside. And truth be told, I already opened this just to make this a little bit easier of a process to go along with. So what I'm gonna start off by showing you guys is the scrubbing handle and the scoring pad. And what this is so you can clean your griddle. If you can see, this has some teeth. And what you do is you apply your scoring pad onto that. And that's so if something gets caked up really bad onto your griddle, you just throw some water in there, scrape it, clean it off, really handy. They sell these little scoring pads at Walmart. It's a 5-pack for like $3.99. I commented to Chef Nathan Lippy at one time and asked him how many uses can you get out of these, because he did a review on them, and he said anywhere from like 3 to 5 depending on how bad it is. But you know, you just use them, throw them away, replace them. Really cool. The next thing that's in this is the Blackstone basting cover. I mean, look at the size of this thing. This thing is huge. Covers my whole face. What these are good for is if you want to melt cheese on a hamburger, if you want to steam vegetables, you just throw that on there. I don't know how often I'm going to use that myself because I have the 28-inch Pro Series, so I have the hood that I can just put down to help steam my stuff. But it's there just in case I didn't want to steam something, and you know, it's there. A couple more things that this includes. This includes 2 of these huge liquid sauce bottles. I mean, look at the size of these things. These things are huge. Look at this compared to the side of my head. I mean, I have a big head and this is just as big if not bigger. And there's 2 of these. These are good for vegetable oil or whatever kind of oil you use to squirt on your griddle. Or you can use it for water to clean your griddle or to steam vegetables and things of that nature as well. I'll probably just use them for water since I already have my other ones with oil. That way I don't have to replace them. Now, there's also these really cool spice dredges in here. There's 2 of these, stainless steel as well. And everything has the Blackstone logo as you would expect. And what I like about these is these have these little covers on top of them. So that way after you use them, you just put the top back on. Don't have to worry about like ants trying to climb in there. Or if they do, it just makes it a little bit tougher. And there's 2 of these, really cool. Another thing that they included that I'm super excited to use is this huge hamburger spatula. My wife said if I'm in trouble, she's gonna use this to whip my you-know-what with, and I'm not trying to get whipped, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, look at the size of this thing. This thing is big. It'll be perfect for those nice juicy burgers. Just flip it a couple times. It has the Blackstone emblem right there in the middle. Man, that's gonna be handy. They also included a regular spatula, again, with the Blackstone logo on the handle. It includes it on the stainless steel there. You can even press this down onto your burger or whatever. Get that logo in there if you want. And then they also included a scraper. The scraper is good, so again, if your scouring pad's not cleaning up, you can use this to kind of clean your griddle with. A lot of people use these to cut their meats in that. I've said numerous times, I myself personally don't like cutting on my griddle top because it creates all kinds of lines, but that's up to you. I prefer to take my meat off, cut it on a cutting board, and then put it back on. Last thing that they included as a bonus is this Griddle Essentials Cookbook. I think you can find this on Blackstone's website to download for free, but they included it in the kit. That's really nice. Now, something else that I'm gonna show you guys as a bonus that I didn't mention is this. The Blackstone griddle mat. Look look at that thing. It's 40.5 by 30.5. Really nice logo that they imprinted on there. It's super comfortable to stand on. Heavy duty rubber. It has like this nice little felt. It'll be good to catch grease when it falls off your spatulas or whatever splashes around. I ordered this off of Amazon. It was only 20 bucks to get that. Super great find. I think on Blackstone's actual website, it's like 40 bucks or something like that. So you can find that on Amazon, that the Blackstone Griddle mat for only 20 bucks. And it only took like a week to get here or something, because right now it's not considered an essential item, so it took a little bit longer than usual. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I'll see you guys again soon. Bam!